Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name is Tony Correa and today I'm going to be talking about Namecheap and the guys from HostGator. So let's start with the guys from Namecheap. As you can see, Namecheap are the guys who offer the cheapest web hosting around the world. Yes, so don't forget that I'm going to be dropping my links down below for you to have a big discount when it comes to registering your domain or also hosting. Okay, so let's check their plans. For example, they have hosting, share hosting, WordPress hosting, reseller hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated servers, and you can also migrate your domain here. If you have, for example, a domain registered with the guys from GoDaddy, you can ever migrate here. Yes, you can also have the WordPress hosting, manage WordPress hosting. You can migrate your WordPress here with the guys from Namecheap. Yes, you can also register an email, app security, and you can also, as I told you before, you can transfer your domain here with the guys from Namecheap. So now let's check the price. Let's see. For example, you have hosting. Let's see. Let's go down. Okay, it's a song. Okay, share hosting. As I told you, reseller hosting. If you plan to resell hosting for your clients, you can ever also do it here with the guys from Namecheap. Yes. You also have the WordPress hosting, email hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers. Now let's check the more features. Yes, for example, you have the Stellar plan, the Stellar business, the easy WordPress starter. Yes, for example, in the Stellar one, you're going to be paying $2.18 per month. The Stellar business, $4.98 per month, and the easy WordPress starter, it's free for the first month. Yes, so you can check here. There are more features: starter, quasar, magnetar, yes, and many other features that the guys from Namecheap offer you. Yes, so if you are ready to start your company on the internet, yes, you can start here with the guys from Namecheap. For example, let's imagine you want to register your domain. If you don't have a domain, you can ever type it here. For example, you can say Tony Correa web hosting, for example. Let's see if it's available. Yes, let's search for it. Oh, okay, yeah, TonyCorreaWebHosting.com is gonna be costing me $8.98 per year. Yes, so I'm gonna be paying this in the first year. So that it is when it comes to registering a domain with the guys from Namecheap. Yeah, so yeah, they offer great features if you want to start your company with the guys from Namecheap. Now let's check the guys from HostGator. Let's click here on Got It to accept the cookies and everything works correctly. For example, the guys from HostGator, they say go where the pros host. Oh my god, web hosting that scales from easy to expert. Yes, let's check the price. Click on Get Started. Yeah, the guys from HostGator, hosting for every website. You have the hatching plan, you have a discount of 60% off with my link down below, the baby plan also, the business plan. For example, in the hatching plan, you're going to be hosting a single website, one-click WordPress installs, free WordPress cPanel website, transfer, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate. This padlock here is the padlock. It shows that your website is secure for people who is looking for a product or just taking a look into your website. Yes, free domain included. The baby plan, they recommend a baby plan. For example, you're going to be hosting unlimited websites. Yes, one-click WordPress installs, free WordPress cPanel website transfer, unlimited bandwidth, free SSL certificate, and free domain included. Yes, and also the business plan has these features. You guys? Okay, yeah, so if you want to start, for example, with the recommended one, the baby plan, you're gonna be paying $3.50 per month. Yes, in contrast to the guys with Namecheap, you're gonna be paying at about $2.15. Yes, for example, let's start with buy now here, and after this you're gonna be registering, for example, your domain. If you don't have a domain, you can ever register a domain with the guys from HostGator. Yes, for example, let's type our domain here, Tony Correa web host provider, for example, .com. I can choose here .com. Let's see, my extension .online, .site, .store, .website, but the most common is .com, right? Yeah. Search results, primary domain, Tony Correa web host provider.com. Yes, I'm gonna be paying this 9. After this, I proceed to the checkout. Yes, I have to complete all my details here, and I'm gonna be starting my my domain with the guys from HostGator. Yes. So guys, I hope you have liked my review, and if you have any questions, please type your questions or comments below the video, and I will be happy to answer your questions. This was Tony Correa. See you next time. Bye bye.